Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Joshua Sneed. I am the CEO and co-founder of Rainwalk. And today, I am going to talk to you about pet health insurance. But before we do that, we're going to grab our pets, we're going to get in the car, and we're going to go to the vet. So this is a scary time for our pets. But it's not just a scary time for our pets. It can be a scary time for us as well. We hope that our pets are happy, healthy, safe, with a good quality of life, but sometimes when we go to the vet, there is a condition or an illness that needs to be treated. And a lot of times those treatments can be expensive. So more and more American families are choosing to get this treatment for our pets. As we bring them more into the family, even treat them as children sometimes, we are choosing to get this treatment even though it is becoming more and more pricey. And this is really the role that pet health insurance is filling in the life of insureds today. In the US, only about 2% of pets are insured today. If you compare that to some of the more mature markets in Europe, it's closer to 30%. So this is one of the reasons that many of us are very optimistic about the future of pet health insurance in the United States. It's been growing very rapidly, about 22% year-over-year growth for close to a decade now. It's got no signs of slowing down. And this is healthy growth too. This is good growth. When asked, 88% of respondents say that this completely voluntary product is absolutely worth it. We all knew that last year was a big year for pets. So a lot of pets got adopted last year, and we're seeing those numbers in the pet health insurance market as well. So these are from the North American Pet Health Insurance Association. Premiums increased by 26% last year alone for the pet health industry in the US. And number of insured pets jumped as well by 23%. These are both record numbers since we've been keeping track. So close to 80% of US families have at least one pet, and we're spending $31 billion a year on pet health care. So that's not the preventative stuff. That's not things like vaccines or heartworm pills. That is just critical accident and illness treatment. And that's growing as well by about $1 billion per year. So our goal at Rainwalk, we want to find these people that are paying this $31 billion out of pocket. This is a large uninsured risk out there that's very relevant to everyday American families, and help them get a pet health insurance product. So who are we? What do we do? Rainwalk helps insurers and pet brands. We help them increase retention and fill this increasingly important product gap using our white label embedded turnkey pet insurance product. So our partners slap their logo on it and offer it to their clients wherever it is that they quote and service their policies or products today. But why? So why offer a pet health insurance product? The most important benefit is often increasing retention, particularly for those carriers that do have a large established book of business. The ability to add one more product to deepen that wallet share, increase that presence in that customer's life is huge, hugely valuable, and we see that in the retention numbers. The second is we want to keep up with the evolving risks of our insureds. So as we are bringing these pets into our families, we want to be able to continue to provide insurance products that are relevant to them. And pet health insurance, the market is showing us and demand is showing us, is relevant to them. And three, to strategically position for the future. Pet health insurance is a very profitable, fast-growing product, and that's something that you as an insurer will want to take advantage of. Here's the problem though. There's really no easy way to get into pet health insurance. Traditionally, you can develop your own in-house, you can acquire a pet insurance company, or you can use a low engagement, low conversion affiliate link. A lot of these options are very time consuming and expensive. The ROI doesn't look that great, particularly when you've not even sold a single policy yet. And so that's where Rainwalk comes in. We use our embedded white label product to very quickly get you and your insureds covered. The embedding piece makes it easier and quicker to sell. The white label piece means that your insureds can buy from a brand that they already know and trust, your brand. And we do all the heavy lifting. So we do the claims processing, the underwriting activity, we do all the filing, and we really do make it easy to get into pet health insurance. Here's our team. I co-founded Rainwalk with my co-founder Tong Wu. He started his career as an actuary at the South Carolina Department of Insurance, approving rate filings, and then he career pivoted into tech, which is where I met him. We both worked at a small IT consulting company that grew to be over 400 employees, and we were acquired by Capgemini. After that, I went to sell software at Guidewire before Tong and I reconvened and founded Rainwalk. Our original premise being, there is a better way to use technology to roll out new lines of business. So why do people partner with us? A lot of pet health insurance companies out there what about Rainwalk makes us a better partner? So that white label opportunity is big. The ability to continue to extend the value of your brand is not only important for you as an insurer, but it's also important to your insureds. That trust and that credibility is key for them. The ease of digital integration. It can often not be easy to make an enterprise-to-enterprise digital integration, particularly for those of us who do have a lot of legacy systems. So what that means is a lot of investment needs to go into that infrastructure, and Rainwalk takes the time to do that. And third, we do offer competitive and meaningful compensation, really to make sure that it is a valuable and worthwhile partnership with our partners. We really do prioritize those partners. So, if you are looking to help your insureds get this very important piece of their life covered, please reach out to us. We would love to look at how we can help you get your pets insured. Thank you.